Wilson, baby. Always protect you. Always be safe, right? Cause what that we all want to go home. Okay. So I think I'm gonna give it another 30 minutes, y'all. I'm kind of tired of this. I don't really like to do this old man fishing, just sit in the hole all day and try to see what's gonna bite. I like to find the fish, but it'll be another day. But it's getting close to bow season. That's why I was trying to get a couple of fishing trips in, but I think it's gonna take at least about another 3 weeks for this water to dry up without rain. Yeah, then I bought my crickets and all that, man, and I just spent like $7 for 100 crickets. It's ridiculous how stuff going up just to fish with, and the crickets are all dried out. They not too, you know, they so dry the fish can pull them right off the hook. So, well, I'm gonna just fish another 30 minutes and I'm going on to the house. Boy, I sure wish I could be what? Bulldogging.